Most visitors staying in Maui's coastal towns like Ka'anapali, Kihei, or Wailea fall in love with the beaches. But just Mauka, toward the mountains, a completely different side of the island awaits. In Kula, the air cools, soft lavender fields stretch across the hills, and the views open up in every direction. And that's just the beginning. Within driving distance of your vacation rental, Maui reveals a collection of experiences you can turn into a few unforgettable, slow-paced upcountry day trips. Wander through Aliʻi Kula Lavender Farm, where walking paths wind through fragrant purple blooms and sweeping island views. Nearby, Upcountry farm stands and orchards offer sun-ripened fruit, local jams, and seasonal flavors grown right on the slopes. Around at Pukalani Country Club offers a quieter side of Maui, where rolling fairways and upcountry scenery replace the bustle of the shoreline. Maui's ranching roots begin to show in small upcountry towns like Makawao, which reflect a blend of paniolo, Hawaiian cowboy heritage, and a vibrant creative community. You'll find locally owned galleries, small boutiques, and weekend markets that feel personal and deeply connected. Make sure to stop for a fresh cream puff or warm malasada from Komoda Store and Bakery, a historic local shop that's become an upcountry staple. At Haleakalā, the landscape shifts once again. At the summit, sunrise and sunset unfold above the clouds, quiet, expansive, and completely different from the shoreline. From the slopes, downhill biking routes wind their way back toward the coast, offering a different perspective of the island along the way. Polipoli brings a completely different atmosphere, with misty forest trails and crisp mountain air. And in nearby Ulupalakua, Maui's upcountry wine region blends volcanic landscapes, rolling ranchland, and local wine tasting into one of the island's most unexpectedly peaceful stops. You wouldn't try to do all of this in one day, but that's what makes it so worth exploring. Each experience gives you a different way to connect with Maui beyond the beach and deeper into the island itself. And when you're staying in the right place, exploring the island is simple. Whether you're heading out for the day or coming back to unwind, find your perfect home base with MPP Vacations and start experiencing more of Maui beyond the shoreline.